Does moving affect your Medicare coverage? In this video, I'm going to explain how moving affects your Medicare, whether it's from a different city to a different state. I'm going to go over how it affects your Medicare coverage. Hey guys, Alex Wender here from Blue Wave Insurance Services. We help folks across the country with their Medicare coverage. Feel free to give us a call at any time throughout this video if you're looking for quotes or need help on your Medicare plan. So if you're moving with Medicare, it really depends on the plan that you have in regards to how the move affects you. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you do let Social Security and Medicare know you're moving. You can update your address on Medicare.gov and SSA.gov. So there are 3 different plans that can be affected when you move: Medicare Advantage, Medicare Supplement, and prescription drug. I'm going to go through each one. So let's start with Medicare Advantage. Medicare Advantage plans have what's called a service area, which is usually designated by a county. So if you move outside of your Medicare Advantage plan service area, the plan will drop you from their coverage completely. So if you're going to move, you'll need to either sign up for a new Medicare Advantage plan in the new area that you moved to, or you could go back to original Medicare and pick up a Medicare supplement plan known through what's called guarantee issue, where they won't ask you health questions. So 2 options there. If you're moving with Advantage, switch plans or go back to original Medicare. Now, it is important to know the guarantee issue only applies to plans F and G. If you became eligible for Medicare prior to January 1st, 2020, you only can guarantee issue into plan F. And if you became eligible for Medicare after January 1st, 2020, you can only guarantee issue into plan G. But if you're healthy, you can pass underwriting, then we can essentially get you into any Medigap plan you want if you're moving with an Advantage plan. So to recap, if you're moving with an Advantage plan and you're moving outside of your plan's service area, you will need to change plans, either a different Advantage plan or go back to a Medicare, original Medicare, and get a supplement and a drug plan. Now, the window to change plans when you're moving with an Advantage does depend on when you let your plan know you're moving. If you tell your plan you're moving before you move, your chance to change begins the month before you move and lasts for 2 more months after you move. If you tell your plan after you move, your chance to switch begins the month you tell your plan plus 2 more months. Now, the second situation we'll cover is moving with the Medicare Supplement plan, also known as Medigap. These plans generally come in the form of a G, F, or N plan. These plans work very different than Medicare Advantage plans, as they pay second to Medicare and are not constrained by a service area. So when you move with the Medicare Supplement, you actually don't have to do anything other than just letting your carrier know the new address. Moving within a supplement plan does not trigger any sort of guarantee issue or does not guarantee that you can switch plans without health questions because there's no service area with the plan. Now, if you're going to move with the supplement, the price is probably going to change where you move to depending on your carrier. So we do advise shopping the rate to see if there's a better one when you move to the new area. Again, moving with the supplement does not trigger a guarantee issue. If you're moving to a state that does have health underwriting on the plan, then you will have to go through health underwriting to change. But if you're moving to a state that has a birthday rule like California, Nevada, Oregon, and a bunch of others, or a state that doesn't have health underwriting like New York or Connecticut, then you can take advantage of those rules and switch without any health underwriting. Give us a call, the number below, if you'd like to shop plans when you're moving, and we'd be glad to help you out. Now, the third situation is moving with a drug plan. So if you have a supplement plan, you probably have a drug plan. You can't have a drug Part D standalone plan with Advantage plan. So this is going to apply to folks who have a standalone Part D plan. Now, the Part D plans are actually based off the state. If you're moving out of state, you have to change your drug plan. If you move out of state and you don't do anything, most likely the drug plan is going to drop you. Even if you're sticking with the same company, you usually have to do a new application, even if it's the same plan and carrier, if you're moving to a different state. Now, the window to change when you're moving is the same as the Advantage. Depends on when you let your plan know you're moving. Again, if you tell the plan before you move, you get to change the month before and then for 2 more months. If you let your plan know after you move, your window to change is the month you let your plan know plus 2 more months. For more information on Medicare and to compare plan options, feel free to give us a call at the number below or book an appointment with us using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe below to stay updated on all things Medicare and the latest changes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.